In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore archived boards in Monday.com quickly and easily. If you've accidentally archived a board or need to bring back an older project, don't worry, nothing is permanently lost, and you can restore it in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get your board, items, and all your data back exactly where they belong. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Monday.com guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Recycle Bin area inside Monday.com. To get there, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. When you click your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From that menu, select Trash. Once you click Trash, Monday.com will open a page that shows all deleted and archived items. This includes deleted boards, archived boards, groups, and even individual items depending on your permissions. If you don't immediately see the board you're looking for, don't worry, we'll filter it properly in the next step. Now that you're inside the Trash section, the next step is to select the Archive tab from the top of the page. At the top of the Trash view, you'll see different tabs that separate deleted items from archived ones. Click on the Archive tab to switch the view. This is important because archived boards are stored separately from permanently deleted boards. Once you click on Archive, you'll see a list of all boards that have been archived in your account. Take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the board you want to restore. If you have many archived boards, you can use the search function to quickly find the specific board by name. After you've found the board you want to bring back, restoring it is very simple. Next to the board's name, you'll see a Restore button. Click on Restore and Monday.com will immediately begin the recovery process. Within a few seconds, the board will reappear in its original workspace exactly where it was before it was archived. The great thing about this feature is that nothing is lost during archiving. All items, column data, updates, files, activity logs, automations, and integrations associated with that board will be fully restored. It will look exactly the way it did before it was archived, so you can continue working without missing any information. If you don't see the board in your workspace right away, refresh your page or double-check the correct workspace from the left sidebar. In most cases, it will automatically return to its original location. And that's it. That's how you restore archived boards in Monday.com. As you can see, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. Just go to your profile picture, open Trash, switch to the Archive tab, and click Restore next to the board you want back. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.